Season 5 2025 winners goes to Mirjili Baby. Very congratulations Mirjili Baby. Please come on the dais and receive your trophy, money, bouquet and pohon and award certificate also. Please come forward. Right now. Open. You know, like I'm so annoyed. People here for the part. You to know judges. No, sir. Pro bangjo sir. Allah because people here for it. Damnang nila kado kaveta dali tum khan stamina nila